Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account. So first open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and once you're on here click on the three lines on the top right. Then go to settings and privacy at the bottom, and then account at the top. Then you should see deactivate or delete account at the bottom, so just click on there. And this will give you two options, so you can either deactivate or delete account permanently. So obviously you want the bottom option, and it'll just let you know your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So if you're happy with that, just click on there. Then you can give a reason why you're leaving, or you can select skip on the top right hand side. And this will ask about downloading your TikTok data. If you want to do that, just select the red text there. Then you can also click on the little circle at the bottom to continue, and then just obviously select continue. And then this will just let you know about deleting your account. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. So if you're happy with all that and you've read through it all, just select continue at the bottom. Then I'll just ask you to enter your password and then select delete account. And that's how you can delete your account on TikTok. Thanks for watching.